Hello explorers, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you this special memory from last year when we were building a succulent living wall. This project seemed so daunting at first because we were going to create 3 different living walls made out of wooden pallets, and this would be the first time we would ever try to accomplish this type of task. Although some of us had previous gardening experience, none of us had ever tried to complete a living wall from scratch. Thankfully, we had a lot of helping hands that were gathered together during the making of this beautiful project. And while we were making it, I couldn't help but to think about what message this would send. Perhaps it would be about cultivating growth. We were lucky enough to find the pallets by the side of the road. All we had to do is get some chicken wire and staple it to the inside parts of this wooden pallet, filled it up with dirt, and snipped off the chicken wire where certain succulents may need to go in order for them to fit the design we had in mind. These 3 pallets were being worked on simultaneously, and this all happened over the course of a beautiful sunny weekend. Thankfully, we were covered by the shade, and that made things a lot easier. It was beautiful to see how everyone would choose certain succulents to fit in certain places. The variety of succulents that would be placed right after each other made the picture look so much better at the end. There are many ways we can embrace cultivating growth as a mindset. Some of these ways are acknowledging and embracing our imperfections. Try to view different challenges as opportunities that we can all have. After all, every challenge is an opportunity for self-improvement. Cultivate a sense of purpose and celebrate growth with others. It will deepen your appreciation for your success. Allow yourself opportunities for reflection. And a personal favorite of mine, which I've recently learned to focus on, is to value the process over the end result. Similar to learn to enjoy the journey rather than just the destination alone. After all, one of the best parts about this project that we did together was the fact that we were doing it together and spending several hours just enjoying being outside and cultivating the growth of these beautiful succulents on a new living wall. Embracing how teamwork has led to such a beautiful end result was the best part of this project. These are lovely memories that we will cherish. Building these living walls taught us about enjoying the small moments in life, the great conversations, learning to work as a team, and learning to appreciate the cultivation of growth with others.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Please comment, like, and subscribe to our Pear Life channel. Please also visit our Pear Life website where you can find more inspirational and motivational content. You can also find sustainable products that have been carefully curated with you in mind. Sign up to our newsletter to find out about new content and new products coming your way. Goodbye, explorers.